Today, we are going to learn in details about another cell organelle, that is the Golgi body. This Golgi body is also known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Hello students, welcome to Poonam's classroom. Golgi body was first described by Camillo Golgi, an Italian doctor and neurologist in 1897, and it was named after him in 1898. Camillo Golgi and Casal shared Nobel Prize in 1906 for their work. So, what is this Golgi body? Golgi body is a membrane-bound cell organelle consisting of flattened membrane-enclosed disc called cisternae. So, this is the picture of the animal cell, and here you can find the Golgi body. We have talked about endoplasmic reticulum in my last video. Can you see? After the nucleus comes the endoplasmic reticulum and then comes the Golgi body. Let's see how a Golgi body looks like. Here is the structure of a Golgi body. Can you see the parallel stacks? These are called the cisternae, and these stacks together are known as cisterns. And can you see they run parallel to each other? Parallel means like this is on top of one another and it is not perpendicular crossing each other. On the side are the vesicles which bud off from the Golgi and fuse with the Golgi. I will talk about them in few minutes. Do you remember endoplasmic reticulum? Can you tell me where it is found? Right, it is found near the nucleus. And the Golgi is found near the endoplasmic reticulum. The membrane of the Golgi apparatus may develop connections with the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum to form a complex cellular membrane system. Can you see the cis phase written on one side and the trans phase written on the other side? So basically, Golgi apparatus has two phases. The cis phase, which is towards the nucleus, and the trans phase, which is towards the plasma membrane. So Golgi body is made up of cisternae, which forms a stack called cisterns. Golgi body has two phases, cis phase facing towards the nucleus and the trans phase facing towards the plasma membrane. There are vesicles around the Golgi body. We will talk about these vesicles now. Now let's understand what Golgi apparatus actually does. Concentrate in this figure. Let's understand together. Here is the nucleus, and then we have the rough endoplasmic reticulum near the nucleus, and then we have the Golgi apparatus in brown. So as we talked, the nucleus side is called cis phase and the plasma membrane side is called trans phase. Can you see the blue color vesicle near the endoplasmic reticulum? These are called transport vesicles. They carry substances like protein from the endoplasmic reticulum and then fuse with the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus. So the materials from the endoplasmic reticulum goes to the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus via transport vesicles. Now inside the Golgi body, modification of these materials take place and ultimately they come to the trans phase of the Golgi body after the modification. And once they are in the trans phase, they bud off from the Golgi body as secretory vesicles. Then they go to the target place, that is Golgi body gives an address to these vesicles so that they can reach their target organelle. For example, here the vesicles are fusing with the plasma membrane and goes out. And even some materials are stored inside the Golgi itself. So you can understand that Golgi helps in storage, in modification and also in packaging of various products. Isn't Golgi apparatus like a post office? Letters, parcels come there, they are stored, they are sorted, packed and they are sent to their particular address. So I hope now you have a clear idea about the Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus has two phases, cis phase and trans phase. The trans phase is towards the plasma membrane and the cis phase is towards the nucleus. Golgi apparatus is made up of parallel stacks of cisternae. This cisternae stack is known as cisterns. All these cisternae are membrane bound. Golgi body is found in eukaryotic cells Because prokaryotic cells do not have any membrane-bound organelle, the transport vesicles bud off from the endoplasmic reticulum, fuse with the cis phase of the Golgi body and then undergoes modification and then buds off from the trans phase as secretory vesicles. So basically the function of Golgi body is storage, modification and packaging. Hope you have a clear idea about Golgi body now. So let's know about the functions of Golgi body. Golgi apparatus is involved in repair and synthesis of cell membrane. Lysozymes are formed by Golgi apparatus. Secretion is a major function of Golgi apparatus. All types of substance which are to be secreted or excreted are packed in vesicles by Golgi apparatus for passage to the outside. Golgi apparatus takes part in storage, modification and packaging of various products for delivery to different parts of the cell. Complex and special sugars are made by Golgi apparatus. So are you confident now that you know everything about Golgi apparatus? If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. Let's stop here for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.